In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. All of your copied text and images will be here. To go back to standard keyboard, use this icon at the top left corner. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To manage it, hold it. And use this pin icon to pin or unpin it. Or this pin one to delete it. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!